state flag on the back of your truck. Hey guys, so we made it to the Wayne Star car meet, or at least I did. A lot of other people did too. We got a lot of really cool cars. We got a Acura over there. We're trying to move around cars so we can set up really good pictures and whatnot. So we're just gonna look at that. Listen to that dart. So we're gonna just do time lapses, not a time lapses. We're gonna do a time lapse of us parking and everything. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, let's take a look at some cars.
So, thanks for coming to the third official meeting that car meet that we had. Without you guys, we wouldn't be really doing this. So, we wanted to finally talk to you guys and get you guys influenced. So, as stated before, you got Dooheen, your VP, you got Ranger. Shout out to the clip I just got for the video. You got your Andrew, your recruiter. Thanks to him, he's the one who's been getting you guys to even know about it. And Parkshish, your treasurer, and I'm your organizer. As in, like, I just do shit to help make it work.
Okay, so we are in a Acura RSX, correct?
Yeah, tight vest.
All right, I'm gonna make sure I'm buckled up. Good job, my. Damn. Forget it's a stick shift. Just still in first?
Yeah.
All right, let me get that towards me facing camera. There we go. All right.
It's going?
Yep. First reaction to VTEC. I've never been in an Acura or a Honda. Oh my god! Oh my god! Jesus Christ! How much power is this thing pushing?
Yeah, just a little.
That's. Oh my god! I'm like holding myself in. I'm holding onto the handle to try not to like fly away. That is insane. What does this thing rev up to? Like 8 grand?
Yeah,
9 grand?
over 8,500.
That's insane. You got an Instagram or something?
Yeah, I do.
What's your Instagram?
It's 9.o.a.t.
All right, I'll put that link in the description, and there will be a they'll say it like right here. That was great. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
What's up, guys? So Murad.
Yep.
I keep forgetting. I'm terrible at names, guys. So he's letting me drive his Acura RSX, which is a stick, which you guys actually haven't seen me drive a stick, which I am capable of it. I don't own one, which kind of sucks. I wish I did. Okay. So clutch in, neutral. Shit, my hands are cold. Oh, that sounds fantastic. So, okay, so I can just put it right there. Okay. And
E-brake down.
oh, my hands are so cold. Oh wow, your clutch point is really low. Wow. It's a lot lower than I thought. Sorry. Like I said, it's been a minute. Oh, it pops so nicely. I gotta go left, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do. Oh, it like revs down almost instantly. It bogs down.
Yeah. It's because I got a lightweight flybo in it.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
That's how you were shifting so quickly, though. That's crazy. I'm only going like, what, 25, 30, and I'm already in 4th gear. Put it back in neutral because I don't know how to downshift very well. And I want to follow and obey all street laws because this is not my car. Okay, come on. I gotta be less scared to let the clutch out faster. That's one. There we go. Oh, okay, I see. Now I get your bite point. I got this. I promise.
Just a little slope, that's why.
There we go.
Oh, it wasn't bad at all.
So I gotta go right here?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds so great. I'm in. That sounds so good. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, another right here.
Fun little.
Gets annoying how loud it is sometimes though.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's cool. It happens.
Yeah, I mean how? Because I mean it holds it. So, I mean it's a 6-speed, so it holds it so easily in gear. Yeah, that super light flywheel is so hard. It would be so hard to get used to. Okay, I'm not about to attempt to back it in because I don't know the size of this car though.
Yeah, you can just leave it right here. It's fine.
It's a neutral. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's cool.
All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
That was fantastic.
Yeah, no
I
problem.
love driving stick.
Just leave it right here.
All right, sweet.
Herschel, you're driving manual?
I know how to drive a manual.
Show me what you got. Okay.
Let's... Yeah, it's kind of loud. All right, Sammy, hold on. Sam, the mighty roar. Let's go. Oh, hell, the Escalade! Hey guys, I apologize for this terrible lighting right now. So we're kind of all heading out, you know, on our late night adventures. We're done for the night. It was a really fun time. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I definitely enjoyed my time being at the event, being at the meet. For all of you guys that were at the meet and were watching this, thank you all for coming out. As said in the speech, I'm the recruitment manager, so yeah, if anyone that's not part of Wayne State's car meet and is seeing this and they want to join, you know, just let me know, talk to me. You can message me on Instagram at gearhead_drummer, and then we'll talk to you about that. But yeah, so we got a few guys behind me. I don't know if you can see their headlights and such, but probably because of the car, you probably can't see their headlights. But we got a few cars behind me. We got all these cars in front of me, and we're all just heading out. So if you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below. Comment down below during the rev match who you think won, me or the GMC truck. Obviously the Caddy won. That's beyond. But like, comment down below who you think won, me or the GMC truck. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'm trying to hit 300 subscribers by the end of December, and if I do, I'm gonna do a $20 Amazon gift card giveaway. I will see you guys next time.